everyone, welcome to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. A spoonie is someone who has a chronic illness, and a stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices start to flow, anything that makes you just feel happy and creative. That's what we're all about over here. Whether it's movies or Broadway or textile art or crafting or what have you, baking, cooking, anything, that's what I'm all about over here. I also test products, I do tutorials, and of course, I try new things. I love trying new things. It's a lot of fun. So if you feel like this is your kind of community, please hit the subscribe button and like this video and be part of the wonderful Yarn Zebra family. Well, I'm making a video. Was it planned? Was I like, oh, I need a video? No, I felt like filming, so here I am. But I have a puzzle. Maybe you can help me. I don't know. Long time ago, when the dinosaurs were there. No, not really. A long time ago, I made a pattern called the Itty Bitty Notions Pouch. This is it. Isn't it cute? You just take off the strap and it folds out, and you can put a tape measure in here. You can also fit a pair of foldable scissors, and there's a little design to it so that you can put stitch markers and needles snugly in here and fold it all up and stick it in your project bag. Great idea, right? I got 5 pattern testers. Thank you, pattern testers. And that was last year. And every single one of them, they tried the pattern and it worked perfectly. Perfectly. So to me, that said, great! Pattern works. So I went to film it a few months ago. This is the one I filmed. See how short that is compared to this? What happened? I don't know. I frogged this thing. If you're new here, frogging is ripping out your stitches. I don't know how many times. And yes, it kind of technically still works, but it's not the original design. So I tried again, and we got here, and then if you fold it, it's too short. I had not changed the pattern, I had not done anything differently, and I had paid meticulous attention to every single step. I don't know, so I tried again. Where is it? Here it is. And I rewrote it a little bit. So this is what we have. Okay. Not bad, but not great. This one is really ugly. I was just using scraps. Okay. It looks fine now, but there's a color inside that doesn't go. Anyway. So we have this one. Yeah, I know. I needed to use it. Okay, it was a scrap. It needed to be used. Anyway. I also did the sides 2 different ways so I could see which way I like better, and when I went to write it up, it doesn't work. Someone in the comments who is much better at math than me, please explain how I can have 15 rows of something, and then when I write the 15 rows and try it again, it's too short. Same hook, same yarn, same stitch, same tension. I even use hooks that like help you control your tension. I don't know. I don't know what to do. It's funny because it's like, what? I have no pattern for y'all because it's not working. So, if anyone wants to work with me and figure out why the math isn't mathing, please contact me at thespooniestitcher@gmail.com. Seriously, I will take any help I can get because this is now annoying. I have made these as gifts. I have made these multiple times. They always work. I don't know, but it's not working. And what happened here? The funny thing is, when I counted it, it's the same amount of rows. I can't explain it. But if you can, please tell me, because I am going crazy over here. As you can see, I've been making a bunch of Notion pouches because they're just not working. So I'm going to take my friend Andy's advice and just leave it alone for a bit. But I may have to come up with a brand new pattern. I don't know. If anyone wants to help me, please contact me. Thanks. Now, the other thing is, I know if you've been watching my lives recently, which I have been doing a lot of lives. I don't know, my body felt good enough to do that, so yay. But I've been doing a lot of lives, and I've been using this particular set of hooks, and I know y'all are kind of drooling over them. So am I. I got these for Christmas, and I'm gonna do a review for y'all really soon. Oh, ain't she pretty? Look at that. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Isn't this pretty? Best part. Not only is she pretty, she's smooth as butter. Oh, I love this. So, the reason they got me this hook, I should explain. First of all, they know I test hooks. Yes. But the reason that they got me this particular one is because a long time ago, Hobby Lobby had these hooks right here. My favorite hooks on the planet. I own one, the purple one, which I just have to remember is a number 7 because the number is completely gone. That's how long I've had it. And I wanted a whole set. Well, apparently I missed out on the huge clearance sale because they were going away, and I've never been able to get another one. So I have been on the hunt for handles like this and smooth tops like this that are like barely pointy. They're pointy but not. And the shaft that has, you know, it's decently long and very straight, and then the bumpy handle because it feels amazing. So they got me this, and I'm in love. I love it. I love it so much, and I know y'all want a link. Apparently, she's gone. And I'm sorry. I know you purple lovers probably hate me right now. I looked, and apparently she only comes in pink now. But she's still pretty. Yes. And I'm gonna do my review really soon, and then I will have a, ooh. Don't attack me. And then I will have a link for y'all, but I'm so sorry. I can't find it in purple, but I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna keep looking, and I'm gonna try and get it in purple. I also have the same company makes the pointy version, and I have that one to test as well. I'll probably test it in the same video. I mean, technically, I've already tested them, but, you know, I'll make it official. So, yeah, with links and everything, and yeah. For those who don't watch my channel regularly, but they like hook reviews, you know. Anyway, I think she needs a name. I think she needs a name. I think she is important enough to deserve a name, so. I even had somebody ask me if I was crocheting with a magic wand. You know what? Kinda. A little bit of a magic wand. Wonder if we should name her Wanda. Let me know if you have any name suggestions down below. But the other reason I made this video is because I need your help. Not just with this, but I want to do a color challenge. I've seen people do them and they look like so much fun, and I want to do one too, but I want to put a twist on it and a challenge for myself. I have Dollar Tree yarn. A lot of Dollar Tree yarn. Also, just to clarify, most of these were bought back when things were actually $1. So I have a lot. I have it in chenille, I have it in acrylic, and I have a little bit in cotton, not so much. The Dollar Tree cotton is fine. It's better for DIY projects, honestly. You know, if you need that cheap yarn, but you don't want to waste your good yarn, that kind of thing. Yeah, it's pretty good for that. I think it would be a fun challenge, and you tell me what you think. I think it'd be a really fun challenge to do a color challenge. Like, I have to use this color, but I have to challenge myself. I have to use at least one of every shade I have in that color from the Dollar Tree bins. So let's say Valentine's Day is coming. Pink. I have to use every shade of pink I have in Dollar Tree yarn, but if I want to use other pinks, like the ones behind me, then I can use that too. But I have to use at least a little bit of each shade. I think it'll be fun. I don't know what color yet. Maybe you guys should decide. Maybe I'll put a poll down below and you tell me which color I should start with. Should I start with pink because of Valentine's Day? Should I start with red? February is also Mal's Awareness. Should I do blue for our ribbon? You know? Choices, choices, choices. But I'm eventually going to go through every single color, including black, because I want to work on getting through my Dollar Tree yarn. As you can see, those bins take up a lot of room, and it would be great if I made something really fun with them, instead of taking up space in my stitchery. Yeah, I still have tots to make, y'all. I have to make bluey tots for my friend's child. So I made the family. If you missed that one, it's pretty easy to find. But I made the family. Now I want to make Bluey's friends. And, okay, I'll just tell you. My absolute favorite character of the entire Bluey series is Jerry Lee. What it is about that character, I don't know, but I love Jerry Lee so much. I was even tempted to buy a playset because they had him. And I was like, ugh, what is wrong with me? I didn't buy it. But I was tempted because they have him. And so, you know, research purposes. If I want to crochet him one day, which I do, I kind of want to crochet Jerry Lee just for me. And then make another one for my friend's kid. Anyway, so, yeah. The other thing is I got my Crochet World magazine, and yes, we will be doing a flip through. I do have that. In fact, I even found a digital version so that I can have better pictures for y'all this time. Yay! So, hopefully I can do that every time now, because the pictures are so much better on the digital version than when I try to like show you the magazine. Yeah. So, hopefully I can do that from now on. I also saw that Furls is doing the buy two, get one free on their limited edition resin hooks. I wish I could, because I really, really wanted Latte and Vixen, and Immortal's really cool too. I have Hibiscus, and the last one I think is Nebula. Nebula's not so amazing for me. For those of you who love it, absolutely. But it's just not my favorite. But I really, really like Immortal, Vixen, and Latte, and I wish I could get them right now, but I can't. So I can't get the new metal one either. Oh, it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. I think it's called Raspberry. So pretty. Thankfully, that one does not say limited edition, so maybe I can get it during the summer sale. For those of you who have not made your Spoonie Warrior, to remind yourself that you are a warrior, and it smiles at you. I will link the tutorial down below because we are close to Mal's Awareness Month. And if you've not seen my Mal's story, I highly recommend that video. That's my story. If you ever wanted to know more about my health story, that's it. My mom's even there to explain the technical stuff. But I made the little Spoonie Warrior, and the cape is in whatever color your ribbon is, so your awareness ribbon. This one is purple. I believe it's for fibromyalgia. I made it for my friend who has fibromyalgia. I was also wrongly diagnosed with fibromyalgia. But this is a little Spoonie Warrior that you can make. It does not have to be this big, and it is not made out of plush yarn usually. In the tutorial, it's just regular worsted yarn, but this one's easier for people to see when I like display it, so yeah. Yes, I will be talking a little bit about my health during February because Mal's is not something everybody knows about. I mean, I know there was that Grey's Anatomy episode, but it was wrong. So wrong. Anyway, if you want to hear the correct version of what mouths is, please see the video and my mom will help explain. I did change my Monday video to Friday for next week, just in case the power does something funny. So I moved it. I think I'm going to be live on Tuesday, and I think I'm going to be live on Thursday, as long as we have power. Please, if you are anywhere near the storm, please stay warm, charge up all your devices, and charge your chargers. Because you can't charge it if the chargers are not working. Ask me how I know. Anyway, yes, please stay warm, stay safe, and have a really good weekend. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!